Welcome to Algebra Basics. Today, we are going to learn how to solve multi-step equations where variables appear on both sides of the equal sign. This is a fundamental skill that will help you tackle more complex math problems with confidence. So, what exactly do we mean by variables on both sides? In simpler equations, you might see the letter x on just the left side. But here, notice how we have 5x on the left and 2x on the right. Our goal is to rearrange this mess so that all the x terms are together. Think of an equation like a balance scale. The equal sign represents the center pivot. The left side and right side must always weigh the same. If we remove 3 boxes of x from one side, we must remove exactly 3 boxes of x from the other side to keep it balanced. This visual helps us understand why we perform the same operation on both sides. Here is a golden rule to make your life easier. Always try to move the smaller variable term first. Why? Because if you subtract the smaller number from the bigger number, your result remains positive. Dealing with positive numbers is generally less confusing than working with negatives. Let's look at our example equation. 5x minus 2 equals 3x plus 6. We need to compare the variable terms. On the left, we have 5x. On the right, we have 3x. Since 3x is smaller than 5x, we choose to move the 3x. Now we perform the inverse operation. Since it is a positive 3x, we subtract 3x from both sides. On the left, 5x minus 3x leaves us with 2x. On the right, the 3x minus 3x cancels out to 0. We are left with the simplified equation, 2x minus 2 equals 6. Now this looks like a standard two-step equation. We need to isolate the term with the x. We have a minus 2 here, so the inverse operation is to add 2. We add 2 to the left side and 2 to the right side. This leaves us with 2x equals 8. We are almost there. We have 2 multiplied by x equals 8. To undo the multiplication, we divide both sides by 2. 2x divided by 2 leaves just x. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So, our solution is x equals 4. Never finish a problem without checking your work. We take our answer, 4, and plug it back into the original equation wherever we saw an x. 5 times 4 is 20, minus 2 is 18. On the other side, 3 times 4 is 12, plus 6 is 18. Since 18 equals 18, our answer is correct. To summarize, first, identify the variable terms on both sides. Second, move the smaller variable term using inverse operations to keep things positive. Third, move the constants to the other side. Finally, divide to solve for x and always check your solution to ensure accuracy.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.